Hi everyone, this is Shipra Singh. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the basic concepts of the polynomial, जो कि आप ऑलरेडी 9th क्लास में पढ़ चुके होंगे. So, मेरा पहला टॉपिक है डिग्री. Degree is basically having highest power of a polynomial is known as degree. For example, 4x plus 3. Variable x has power 1, so degree would be 1. In this, variable x has highest power is 2, so degree would be 2. In this example, x has highest power is 3, so the degree would be 3. One more thing about degree is having power 1 is known as linear polynomial, having power 2 is known as quadratic polynomial, and having power 3 is known as cubic polynomial. It's all about degree. My second topic is zero of a polynomial. Let's take this linear polynomial where we have to find zero of this polynomial. Then set this equation is equals to 0. So हमारा equation होगा 2x plus 8 equals to 0. Then we have to find the value of x. So 2x equals to minus 8. Therefore x equals to minus 8 by 2, which is equals to minus 4. So x will be minus 4. This is our zero of this polynomial, and it is also known as root of this polynomial. Always remember. Now let's take another example, which is quadratic polynomial. In class 9th you have learned how to factorize the quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle terms. Here we need to split the middle terms as minus 8x as sum of two terms whose product is 12x square. It means हमें ऐसे दो नंबर लेना है जिसका सम करने पे minus 8x आए और जिसका प्रोडक्ट करने पे 12x square आए. So take the LCM of 12. अब इनमें से हमें दो पेयर बनाने हैं, जैसे 1 and 2. ये पेयर बने जिसमें 6 और 2 है, 6 और 2. So we write two terms minus 6x minus 2x, जिसको ऐड करने पर हमें minus 8x मिल रहा है और जिसको प्रोडक्ट करने पे हमें 12x square मिल रहा है, जो कि हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट थी. So this is how factorization method works. अब हमने कॉमन लिया जिसमें हमें फाइनल इक्वेशन मिली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. और लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं ये मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ. जैसे 2x माइनस 2 को हमने लिया जिसे हमने सेट किया 0 के इक्वल. अब इससे हम x की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे जो कि आएगा 1. सिमिलरली यहाँ भी हमने x माइनस 3 को सेट किया 0 के इक्वल और जिससे हमें x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 3. So 1 and 3 are the zeros of this polynomial, or we can also say that 1 and 3 are the root of this polynomial. My third topic is relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. मैंने पिछला वाला एग्जाम्पल लिया है क्योंकि इसका हम रूट ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके थे. So 1 and 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. My first point is sum of its zeros. That means 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. अब हमें 4 चाहिए किसकी हेल्प से? इस कोफिशिएंट की हेल्प से. So the formula is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of x is minus 8 और इसके पास ऑलरेडी माइनस है अपॉन coefficient of x square is 2 which is equals to 4. Hence proved. And the second one is product of its zeros, which means 1 into 3 equals to 3. So formula is constant by coefficient of x square. Here constant is 6 and coefficient of x square is 2. So the answer is 3. Hence proved. In general, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a and product of the zeros equals to c upon a. आई होप आप समझ रहे होंगे. इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो रियली हेल्पफुल, so please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.